Hello friends, welcome to my channel Shilpi Dance Tutorial. Today's video is a requesting video. I have already discussed the full syllabus of Rabindranath, Bharatanatyam and Kathak of Bombay Sangeet Parishad. I will give the link of I button at the end of the video also. You can see it from here. But one of my little friends requested me to sharing Addo, Moddo, Punno syllabus of Bombay Sangeet Parishad in English version. So I am sharing the syllabus again because you know your every request is very valuable to me. So who will take the test in English version? This video will very important and helpful for them. If you find the video helpful for you, please subscribe to the channel. And if you like the video, please like it. So you watch the full video. Thank you.